You know what I'm really butthurt about? I want to use my microphone, man. I got a beautiful camera. I got this beautiful microphone, but it's not sounding too good apparently, so I might have to get a new mic. I'm not sure. What I don't understand about my mic is I've used Restream before, and it never sounded bad at all. Oh no. Oh. Guys, I will be back in literally like a minute. So I can grab some water. TA is gay. I think real TA is good. I don't think chart patterns are real TA, to be honest, but that's just me. What's up?
Oh yeah.
Are you off?
Back.
You're off spaces?
Yeah, just finished.
A little bit. We're just slow grinding up. My Iron Condor is just cooking, and I haven't taken any futures trades, so I'm just chilling.
What's up, guys?
What's up, boy?
Ooh,
About
good
to hit
timing.
that SPY target upside.
About to hit that.
Almost there. It's
Let's go.
20 cents off.
Yeah, the 0.5 extension of the IB is right there as well. 44, 687.44. SPX, it's like 1 point higher, 1.5 higher. There is a existential crisis going on in my house right now over putting on some shoes. Casey knows how that goes.
Dude, Everly this morning, she did not want to wear the clothes that was picked out. So I fought her for like 15 minutes while she just ripped through all of her different drawers and just took all the clothes out. Just was trying to find something else. And it just, oh my God, I ended up carrying her downstairs in her underwear and then just like put her over the gate through the clothes over there. And I was like, you'll get dressed whenever I come back.
I've used that move a couple times. Have you ever seen like the reel or like the meme or whatever where it's like the neighbors think you're like torturing your kid and all you're trying to do is like you gave them the wrong color water bottle or something?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, all of them have their specific color juice cups and plates and bowls and forks. If it ever goes out of line, just all hell breaks loose.
I'm not gonna lie, this daily chart looks like from here it's just to break out to an all-time high.
Whoa, we're halfway there. Oh.
Living on a prayer.
I mean, these charts today are ridiculous because SPY is like well above previous day high. And
Oh yeah,
Q's
Q's is lagging it
not,
still.
yeah, and IWM is at previous day low. IWM has not done anything. It actually sold off overnight and then it's still sitting at previous day low. Insane. Although I have been day trading the shit out of this market the last 2 days instead of swing trading, and it's been fun.
I've barely done anything.
I've traded way too much, but it's just been day trades, just ins and outs. It's been a blast though. Except for JOBY and SLV, those were swings. And those are cooking.
Cooking.
Some flow on Palantir and Shopify coming in large sweeps on calls.
Take a look at that.
Volume
price.
is so bad.
Most goated move of all time, bro.
Dude, what? What?
Dude, how fucking goated am I?
Dude, that is actually insane. That's something I would do. Why? That's my next question. Why?
Why? I mean, I don't know.
Why not?
Fuck. Brutal. Brutal. I'm a soldier. We good. I know that's crazy stuff, huh, Maria? I don't know about it at all, not yet, but I'm sure that time is flying fast, huh, Casey? Like,
It's
dude, at some point they're all gonna be teenagers, and then
I don't know.
young
My
adults
driveway's gonna
going off
have
to
5
college.
cars.
Yeah, bro, like
It's gonna be ridiculous.
it's gonna happen fast too. It's crazy.
It is. It's wild. Making me feel old. All right, spy 10 cents away from entering into target upside area. There's the alert. And target hit. Zone entered. 687.56. I mean, if SPY wants to continue to melt up top of the zone, 688.29. What a beautiful move today. Oh, Jordan, someone in the Discord earlier, they took SPY calls at 10:05 a.m. Eastern, and let me see if I can.
Hell yeah!
Yeah, so I had that's where the level is from yesterday, right? So
Yeah.
I had a level there on SPY at 684.49. It was a perfect back test, but they took the trade based off of something that you would have taken the trade off of.
Ooh,
Here, can I share? Can I share
Yeah.
this screen real quick?
go for it.
Just real quick, because you're gonna understand this,
You're good.
maybe. All right, that they took that trade.
Oh, wait. Here, let me zoom in so I can.
Yeah,
Wait.
I just pulled up a Discord.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, we inversed 5-minute. So that's 5-minute bearish fair value that gets ran through in the opposing direction. So inverse of order flow. And then we created a 15-minute bullish fair value gap, which he waited for a retest into, as well as that smaller 5-minute bullish fair value
There
gap
you
that
go.
we made. Yeah. So it's just overlapping order flow, really. It's the same way you would overlap EMAs or overlap supply and resistance or
Yeah.
supply and demand. It's just with fair value. But yeah, that's beautiful. That's
Yeah,
beautiful. I would have
he's-
been in something like that with you. It's just on that first candle, we took out the highs on NQ that I was wanting to target. And so I wasn't looking to like try and milk any more out of it because I just wasn't confident with the Christmas week. But that's a great play. I mean, phenomenal.
But
Great
like
stuff.
right there on the chart, and then here I'll switch the screen real quick, and then it'll show
exactly
you,
what I was looking at into open, actually.
and then it'll show you my chart. And let me share this, and then there's my chart.
Yeah.
right
Look at that.
right off the midpoint of this order block, right at the level. I was like, I have the exact, like we had the same like entry spot, like targets and levels above. I was like, just completely different strategy. And then when he was explaining it, I was like, this is probably like something right up Jordan's like alley right here.
Yep. Same thing.
I was like, it was a beautiful chart.
Shout out to whoever that was. I love to see it.
Oh man.
Let's go.
We're gonna go take previous session high. Oh, we just
Yeah, you
the
can
pivot
see
point.
on MNQ, I was looking at the same thing. I was like, oh, we inverse this into open. I'm getting long for all these highs. For London high, Asia high, we had midnight open to rebalance too. First candle, literally all the way. I'm like, well, fuck. I guess I'm not getting it today. It almost happened yesterday too. Yesterday was quite similar, but I managed to get in. What was yesterday? Yesterday was here. Yeah, midnight open was like somewhere down here. I forget. Now, still trying to grind to these highs. Looks like NQ wants them.
I'll tell you what I want. I want some food.
Me too.
I know.
I
I just
need
got
a-
done eating a cheeseburger and some fries.
You know what I'm getting?
Ooh.
That I literally haven't gotten this in probably a couple months now. I need one of those inch thick quesadillas from my boy down the street.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah, we're doing that today for sure. It's about time. Are you selling any spreads today, Emp?
I just didn't love it, so no.
Yeah.
I traded some puts here. I got ran over on some. I made money on some IWM and some Tesla ones.
I got a little
So,
lucky and sold these 614s, and they were a little juiced at the bottom, and I got them for 25 cents, or I sold them for 25 cents, and they're at like 3 right now.
I want to
have, like
sell.
60 of those.
I want to sell a bunch like right here.
Call spreads, I mean, not a horrible idea. Even if we push to highs from yesterday, I expect it to be a slow grind. The problem is the time of day. It might be so late that there's not a whole lot of good premium left.
For zero DTEs,
Yeah, it's just
yeah, you're not going to get
gone.
premium right now trying to sell them.
That's the problem. Yeah.
I think you could like right now if you sold like 69.05s or 69.10s.
On SPX.
Yeah.
It's just
What's
risky.
the
as
price
fuck,
at?
isn't it?
Oh my! Oh fuck that!
Yeah, that's just risky. It's
Fuck
so risky.
that, dude. You
Hey, I
get
went-
one pop over 69.05. You're gonna go minus 200% on the next 5-minute candle.
Hey, don't worry about me, okay?
Fuck
I-
that.
I trade spreads like I trade futures.
Ugh.
I'm still trying to figure it out. No, I'm just like, if
No,
anything,
yeah, I
that's
know.
telling you how bored I am. Like
Yeah,
I'm just like literally trying to invent something to do. Like I'm
Right.
literally like you could scalp it here for like
If you
50%.
could go out to sell at least 69.20s right now, I'd say you're good. That's your sell.
There's just no
And then-
premium on them, I don't think.
Yeah, there's probably unless if you
Like-
could get
Well, what I'm saying is I think you could this late in the day, I think you could sell these at like what $3 or something, and then probably drop to 150 on a pullback pretty quickly. Like they would drop. It would be like a scalp of a spread, which is
Yeah.
let me see.
it's just something new I've been thinking about.
You can definitely scalp the spread. Let me see. Oh no, dude. You can do the 69.20s and 69.30s. You can sell
have
it right now
enough?
for 25
30,
bucks.
30
Oh, yeah.
cents, yeah.
Heck yeah.
I don't think we go over 69.10 though. I think I would rather sell the 69.10s.
Fuck that. Fuck that.
Let me go. Let
I've
me look
learned
at
to
my
give
chart.
myself hella room.
So by doing
69.20 would
this
be a new all-time
So this
high,
is-
right?
This is the difference. If you do the 69.10s, you have an 80% chance of profitability, which is not bad, where it currently sits. You do the 69.20s, you have a 95% chance of probability, and it's going to be less stressful, farther out of the money, and you're risking all the previous high on SPX.
Yeah.
Like,
But don't tell me how to live my life.
I'm just saying.
No, I'm not actually like an actual trade. I'm just like something I was like. I'm just like thinking about it in my head. Like I feel like most people just sell spreads to like sit in them all day. But I'm like sitting here thinking like I feel like some of these like at these key levels, I feel like you could like the way SPX is on 0DTs. I feel like because like I can't tell you how many times like back in the day, I'd try to play a breakout, and if you longed and if it didn't break out and go, like you'd instantly be down 50%. And so I was sitting here like, okay, what if I just sold that and covered it back 50%? Like I feel like you could scalp 50% trades on SPX, like selling the spreads. I don't know if that made sense to you guys, but it made really good sense in my head when I was saying it.
Absolutely. I think you can scalp SPX
Yeah, I
spreads.
don't see why not.
You could do you could collect probably an easy 30% multiple times every single day.
That's what I was kind of thinking was like at a time like this, high like right at high of day when the premiums are juiced, it's like at a kind of in a breakout. I just can't tell you how many times like I remember it, and I've seen other people like try to buy SPX like 6910s right here, and you get a 5-point pullback, and all of a sudden you're down 40-50% immediately.
Yeah.
So I don't know. That's where my thought process went there. But like the risk side of things, obviously, it's super risky because if something happens, I mean, I don't think anything's crazy gonna happen today, and maybe it keeps floating up higher. But I mean, VIX sub 14. No, there's no news, there's no earnings or anything. I mean, unless Trump puts out another True Social, which the one he put out was pretty tame while ago. So. Have we even had a red like 30-minute can? Oh, we had one.
Dude, I'll tell you what, IWM, disgusting.
Dude, it's just all over the place.
Dude, like,
I don't know
look at that
what to
30
do.
minute. Like, well, I don't even know what the fuck that is. Like, this is terrible.
Terrible.
Horrible. Like, what the hell is this?
How's the MT2 maxing? We're getting there.
That's the heat map for the last 4 hours in the stock market.
Wow.
Yucky. It's your last hour. I mean, NVIDIA, AVGO, and Google, and Amazon. That's about it. Everything else, whatever.
Yes, Nasser, that is Casey's screen.
Yeah. You can turn it back to yours if you need to, Jordan.
I don't mind. You're good.
I'm just bored
We'll watch
watching.
stickers, yeah. We're all doing
watching
the same
stuff.
thing, brother. Don't worry.
Yeah.
This isn't even live trading, this is live watching.
Yeah.
Live watching.
right.
Live tape reading is what we would call it. You trading? Nah, tape reading. That's about it.
Watching grass grow in the winter.
In the winter.
Shopify.
I need to make a second coffee. Look at my festive mug.
Oh,
Gotta
that's a nice
get-
mug. Big R on it. Love it. Big
Some
monster guy,
snowflakes.
Casey.
What was that?
Ah,
Is that a monster?
it is a monster.
Look like a
Blue
monster.
monster?
On the back.
It's the ultra
F-Jet
blue.
needs some milk.
That's what threw me off is the blue.
Ah.
F-Jet can pull back 50% after running 350%.
Also, I'll just say this. Doesn't matter how much it's down today. It's down 53% today. I'll tell you right now how much that doesn't matter because look at where that candle opened and look at where it's trading in on the daily. That is an inside candle. There's nothing bearish about an inside candle being printed, especially after that ripper of a day that we got yesterday. So when I look at that, I don't see that that's a bad look personally. Not yet, at least.
That was
See if my thoughts
insane.
change.
That was crazy.
But like to me, it looks like we hit half back of yesterday's range. That's completely mechanical. It's exactly what should be happening. So I think even oh my gosh, it's down 53%. Yeah, it just ripped like what 160 yesterday or whatever it was. It's not that crazy. That's down 53.
Can we go QQQ? Come on. You're taking forever. Spy's already up in the zone.
You have to assume we're just gonna take previous day's high on Qs next, right? Like they're not just gonna.
Yeah,
Are they just gonna blue ball us right here?
there's no way. It's gotta make it.
It's kind of weird that Spy's up more than Qs again today.
Yeah, past 2 days.
I don't know. The best thing I did was sit here and just do nothing, pretty much. Took a one futures scalp trade. That's it.
Yeah.
I would honestly be shocked if we just run anywhere from here. Tomorrow's a half day, right? Close at
Yeah.
noon or
Yeah.
whatever,
Yo.
1
1
Eastern.
p.m.
Indeed.
Feels like the feels like a half day, or like if you look at the total volume, it looks like a Black Friday half day. Like that's how this is traded today. Dip in the morning and then just float higher. Yes, it's hitting a pivot point.
Is this just like a giant inverse head and shoulders?
Kinda. So this is clean. The 15-minute on NQ is just a bull flag right off of IB high. That was probably a good opportunity to just scalp
A little
along.
wonky. Anyway, whoopsies. Kind of just looks like a giant inverse head and shoulders. Gosh,
What's the corn doing? It's been pushing back up the whole time too.
7,000.
You know it's not pushing up? MSTR. He just made a new low of day.
Why do all the animals face left? Why are they not facing right?
Yeah, and you can't like reverse them. You have to like you can put them upside down, but you can't reverse them.
It's stupid. Like I want it to go up to the right. I want them to face in the direction I want them to go, but they're looking behind them. That's some bullshit.
What's FedEx doing?
Ooh, FedEx is been a great one. Oh, look,
wow.
all right. Look, I got got it already drawn onto the chart from a previous trade. Let me see what it's from. Daily.
Go to
Daily
your
Morningstar.
go to your weekly.
Mm-hmm.
Like zoom out, like further out. Connect those lows. There's a beautiful bottom trend line. Yep.
Oh, what you
Like
got here?
big picture coming off of those three lows.
So
Big trend line. I was in this.
was a
I was
great
in this
one.
at like 220 or 225. I took it to like 250, or it was like right short of 250. I sold it, and then it just kept going.
This is what I'm waiting on. Waiting for UPS. Get that ripper to 115.
UPS
We'll see.
reclaiming the 50-week moving average, so the 200-day.
I took calls during that chop there. Longest trade of my life.
Oh, it's rejecting my. It's rejecting my EMA.
Hundreds right there. So now you probably hit a trend line here.
Oh, come on, Tesla, new low of day.
There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Ew. Pump your spy calls. What do you mean pump your spy calls? Spy calls have been pumped. It's been doing it all day.
Yeah, when did you buy them?
I don't think there's any. I think there's a little more room to go in the next 2 hours, but I mean, hopefully no one's taken a trade on spy calls in the last freaking 30 minutes or so, because you get a little late to the party. Tessie looking like a short.
Tesla was a fat short yesterday into today at the open. Tesla short. I tried to play NVIDIA rejecting the 50-day and it busted through it. So that one didn't work out. But the Tesla short, IWM short worked out. The SPX one is not working out. It's taken too long, which I was afraid of. So pretty much nothing. Unless we just drop like 15, 20 points out of nowhere.
So what, Tessie 470 back testing?
I had Tesla going first target to 474, 475 basically. And then there's a gap it left actually. If it gets going down at some point, there's a gap it did leave down to like 460, 463. But if anything, it rejected my fib extension at 498.9. So I just think it comes back to back test the breakout spot of 474. Then I don't care.
It's a daily chart setup right now, not looking too hot.
Well, that's what I'm trying to. Did it break the? It still has it's still in the uptrend. It's like sitting on the edge of it. If you connect those last couple daily lows, it's sitting right on it actually. Well, there's that one. It still has room to. That's the main one I like. But on a shorter term basis, if you kind of connect the Wednesday the 17th and Friday the 19th, kind of like the last line of defense for it to start rolling over. It's holding right there for now. Oh yeah, if you turn on pre-market, it looks worse actually.
Yeah.
Turn on pre-market, it broke it.
Yeah.
You go to the daily, it didn't. It hasn't done it just yet.
Yeah, do dailies and it's right. And daily has it just right there. Right above it.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It's like, yeah.
But yeah, there's the line on the on the daily where it's
I love drawing it on the high time frame and going down to like the small time frame and watching it react to it, like for that confirmation.
It's in a 15-minute squeeze right now. It's looking. I mean, did it fill the gap? Basically. I mean, it finally filled
in like a million. What do I have at? I have 188.36 drawn on NVIDIA for some reason. That's literally where we're stuck here. I don't even know where we're with that.
On what name?
On NVIDIA. Oh, it's from way back in October. But it's like hugging it, trying to push through it. I mean, I guess we could get like a last ripper today, but I just don't see where the juice comes from.
Juice. Tesla not breaking down, just doing a full reclaim because Sydney Sweeney's going to partner with Elon on a project or something. Who knows?
Ooh.
That'd be wild.
Sydney Sweeney Cybercab. That'd be sick. I love how the title for your stream still has my name in it from this morning.
Oh my gosh, yeah, because I just freaking ran over here and then I was having troubles with all my stuff.
I changed it on a couple places, but
It didn't change though.
Once you send it,
You can change it on YouTube. You can't change it on X.
right. Once it's live, that's why I changed it just before because we didn't send it live on the Wolf Trading X until just I did it a few minutes ago and I like noticed it and changed it first. Jordan, did you see my Edgeful post this morning?
No, I don't think so. On Wolf Trading? Did you do it?
Yeah. Look at the Edgeful post that I made when we were knifing this morning.
Oh, 80% probability of closing the day green. Yeah.
I said Bears should go back to bed. That was while we were falling this morning.
Nasty. We love that.
What I'll tell you, the best thing was I looked at that and I talked myself out of like a couple of trades, just saying I am fighting. I don't have enough confluence.
Yeah.
And sure enough, like it turned out to be a good decision. Look, IWM looks like it wants to fall again. Microsoft and NVIDIA are like perky. Tesla's at low of day. What are we even doing? Broadcom's been ripping, just made a new high. It's at 350 though. Exxon's at 120, Casey.
Don't I know it?
Dang. Amazon and Google have the exact same chart. This like high and tight flag.
Look, and it's
Yeah, dude, I've had 120 on my chart for Exxon
just
forever.
entered into my zone where I'm like, yeah, it's full
Dude,
target.
you go to monthly on this and go back like years,
Yeah.
and it's like the same. It's the same level.
Yeah.
Like I've had a box drawn on here for so long.
It's insane.
How far back is that? Like 2021 or something? 2022?
It's been in a monthly squeeze since December of 2023. It's going on 2 years in this squeeze.
Like a
just
3 year
freaking nothing.
3 year consolidation. When it goes, it'll go though.
Literally like $20 just about from top to bottom for freaking 2.5 years, almost 3 years now. $20 from top to bottom. This is stupid. The worst weekly chart ever.
Come on, Tessie. Break it down.
I think Tessie can be a good short. Anyone want to take some puts?
I've been sitting in 42.5 all day.
Let's pull them up. Tesla puts. Friday expiration.
They're only up like 50 or 60 bucks.
Take the 480s. Those are cheap.
I had one trim that I got off at like $100 or $80 or something. I think it was like 80. But that was the only that one and IWM are the only trades that I really felt good about today.
I'm gonna take a little lotto. Tesla 480 puts 345. 345.
if the market wasn't in this just like float higher mode, I'd be in like 475 Teslas. How much are they? God, they're expensive. Why are these Teslas so expensive?
Mm-hmm.
Because it can move so fast. $2 for the Friday ones. And the other argument would be right here, double top for 6900 SPX, whatever, 687, 688 SPY, kind of a double top, and we just pull back in for the next few days. Everyone in the world trying to play the Santa Rally and just gets ran over. Or just like theta burned to death. I feel like too many people are looking for the Santa Rally. And it's the same people that said all year that the seasonality, the same people that were like making fun of seasonality in September or October. Like really it was September, you know, September's a weak month. Same people that were making fun of the seasonality then are the same ones trying to play the seasonality now. And it's like, what are you doing?
There you go, Tesla. New low of day.
Yeah.
All right.
Take it down. Daily looks like a swing short.
Trigger the alert, baby. Like freaking cents away. Cents.
If we were to play
away.
VIX, which contract we buy for calls and how many month expiration? VIX is its own monster. So like most people, when VIX is really cheap, you they find a way to either get long, synthetic long, sell puts or something. But more than anything, most people use VIX for protection. So like first you have to think like what's going to cause volatility, which sometimes you don't know, but like what's going to cause some volatility. You could probably think about it in January. Like you may go, I know I talked to some people that were looking at February.
Tesla trimmed. Alert just went off. There it is, bottom of the screen. Boom.
But yeah, VIX is more, you're using it for protection.
All right, stop at entry on Tesla. 345 to 380 here. Nothing crazy, but an easy $35 per contract gain. Just completed the gap fill, breaking down here now. Full target so you can get down into that zone right here. Fire at this 15-minute squeeze downside, but trade does not go red. Just want to see an explosive continuation on these premiums. If we can get 400 on these contracts, they're about to hit 390 here.
Yeah, I'll give you an explosive continuation.
Wow.
Do it for me, baby. Nice job, Salamander. $400 profit on Tesla puts. Damn. Let's go. See if we can get this continuation squeeze sooner rather than later. I hate sitting in Tesla for too long for day trades.
Video looks like it wants to break up. Is that a real wick on Netflix today?
Probably
Sure
not.
not.
TradingView's been doing some crazy freaking wicks. Like Spies yesterday was
Oh, whoa,
stupid.
no. Yeah, that was BS.
Yeah, I don't doubt it.
Did they fix it? Or is it still there? No, it's still there on the Spy Daily chart. I have to keep that in mind because it's not a real wick. Wow, did Citigroup hit 120? Holy sh! Palantir red, Hood red. Hems is under 35.
Anybody getting Netflix shares? I'm not yet, but I've been keeping an eye on it. It's just getting drilled.
Do I need to buy more? Oh, we hit 91? Oh no. Oh, we hit a big level. Dang it. I'm gonna go look for some food real fast.
Yep.
Really sucks listening to the stream on mobile via YouTube. It absolutely sucks. It keeps stopping. It sounds like your connection. I mean, I was like in the airport on an airplane listening, watching it on my phone. I didn't have any issues.
Yeah, I've never had
I don't know,
issues
it's
with
live.
it like stopping and going.
It's live on X too. If that, if there's something wrong with your YouTube. I don't know. Shout out to everyone just hanging out with us, chilling before the holidays.
Chilling. Oh, he's
Dude,
got
I
his
used to have a,
hat.
I used to have
Let's
a
go.
sick.
Ooh, Santa hat.
I need to find mine.
I don't know where mine is. I just looked down and saw this. I don't even know whose this is, where it came from. I have a sick one somewhere back. I think it's back in Arkansas actually, but it says Feliz Navidad on it.
Pimpin'.
I just need to like spray paint my beard white.
Yeah.
That spray that like you put on your windows.
Yep.
Yeah, frost looking stuff.
The snow like frosty spray that you could draw with. Just put that in your beard.
But dude, I don't know if you ever did this, KC, but like we played those soccer tournaments when I was like 10, 12. Like somebody would buy the colored hairspray stuff, and like we'd all like spray our hair like orange and blue and stuff.
I
remember getting in trouble.
I'm going to
at
grab my
school.
quesadilla.
I got you. I remember getting in trouble at school one time because like my school, you couldn't have like dyed hair or colored hair or anything. But like that tournament, we like sprayed it so deeply in there, and then like I remember like trying to wash it out, but it was like on my scalp, and I had like such like blonde hair, you could see like blue and orange still on my head. They tried to send me home, but the principal was friends with my mom, so
Let's go.
avoided that. New high NVIDIA.
SLV also new highs on
It's silver.
Dude,
Dude,
I know,
I was
my first time trading it 100%. I mean, it's great.
I'm mad that I was like silver and gold or what I wanted to be long, and I was like trying to take the trade, and then I was like literally started traveling the day before it broke out.
What a beauty.
Yeah, it's working good for you, ProFast. All right, awesome. Little good case here. So I like how that's like you made the rocket like almost as big as the entire price action. Bigger the rocket, the higher it goes, right?
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I think that's how it works.
Got this alert set closer to 65. See if it gets up there. So I sent the alert and tweet earlier, sharing what I was in. I mean, we called him out yesterday here on the live stream on YouTube. The $65 calls for December 31st. They went 100% this morning up here, pushing to $64. Closed that position out entirely, and then I shared that I had rolled some of the profits into a lotto position for fun to the 67s for January 2nd. And those are now pushing as well. So look at this. Look at this. Oh, you gonna make me trim.
Damn, why you gonna make me trim?
Yeah, let's see. See if it fills. I'll take a little trim up here. About to hit 130 on those contracts.
There's like a bell on here. I don't even know who's. It's probably one of my son's hats that I just found. Ooh. Think you gonna do it? ES is getting slapped the same spot for the 5th time.
Just sent that alert on SLV. Beautiful. Oh, king faces. Oh, 388%. Oh, he said it was just a watch list one. Oh, no. I thought you had it. I'm probably like, damn, son.
Bro, I need like a bomb to hit Venezuela right now.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
My God. All right.
No, I need the markets to move.
All right, there's my trim on SLV. 130 on those 67s. If anyone still has the 65s for the swing yesterday, again, potentially about be going in the money. Those are probably up, I'd imagine, probably like 130% there. That's insane.
Nvidia's about to hit 189. That's kind of your next level.
What? What a ripper.
Boeing just got some volume. That's interesting.
Q's trying to do it. Previous day high. You're literally almost there. Just right there. You're almost there.
Oh, here goes yes. Can it do it? Can it do a new high?
IWM so disappointing. That chart's ugly.
I think there's actually an unfilled gap up here. About 9 points higher. On ES, but SPX. No, SPX has filled all the gaps. What's the upside? Dude, why is gold ripping now?
Gold and silver.
Dude, I wish like FedEx would put like the little kind of like Uber on the like truck, so you just kind of know when it's coming to your house. This literally says Tuesday before 9 p.m.
There we
Wow.
go. There we go. Come on. Just cents away. New high day, Q's. You're literally almost there. Just freaking touch it. Swear. You can't stop there. You gotta just hit your head on it.
Did we take out previous day's high yet? No.
No, Q's, no.
God. Dude, what if they just blue ball everybody right here? That'd be brutal.
Walmart. What a great short this was.
I heard that.
It's all right. I'm never gonna do it again. Can't. All right, we took out the rest of my Teslas. I have no more position on that one to secure green trade. Still setting up there. It's just taking too long. So the premiums, like I said, it has to be explosive with that squeezing momentum downside. So it's about testing the 5-minute 9 right now. Depending on how it continues to set up, I'll look to get back in for maybe another little day trade scalp down. But nice move down to go make new lows. Nothing crazy. I think the highest they went were 390 on the ass, 385. That's the highest one for a fill for $40 per contract gain. Nothing too crazy for Tesla. Still waiting for this alert to go off on SLV.
TIGO. Apparently, Amazon, Google, or somebody is investing in data centers. TIGO.
Small 5-minute candle right here.
Headline's just coming out right now.
No volume yet. TIGO. Oh, candle, candle. Whoa, Nilly. Does it have options though? Oh, it does.
Holy shit! Look at that weekly.
$55 calls for January are only like $1.30, $1.35 right here. That's 55.
Did you see the weekly?
Damn. Oh, that was a nice bullflag break right there.
Go farther. Look at the downtrend to the left that it just flew out of.
Damn. Yeah, that's sell.
I feel like they're a
no volume.
there's something down here in like Mexico or South America, maybe Colombia. I've seen that brand Tigo. Like I feel like they're like a. I don't know if they do like cloud services or data or internet or something. I'd have to look it up, but I've seen that name.
What was the headline for this one?
I think Amazon and Google are both. Oh wait, Tesla, Oracle, and Amazon to invest in Bolivian data centers and something else. You just said it. You just said it in my ear again. I don't know. At first, I thought you said Google though. So I don't know.
No, yeah, I'm seeing Tesla, Amazon, and Oracle. What does that have to do with TIGO? Let's go see TIGO. Wide range of mobile communication services, cable and satellite television, mobile financial services, high-speed data, voice and business-to-business solutions such as cloud and security. Segments include Latin America, which focuses on mobile and cable services, and Africa, which covers mobile services with the focus to business-to-business customers. Interesting.
Oh, and
Tesla really back test rejection, go straight back to entry just to go back down and make a new low of day.
yeah, probably.
Dang.
NDX did hit previous day's high. The actual cash underlying. Right here. We still got an hour and 45 minutes. Oh, God. IWM just teasing the short again.
There's your previous day high, QQQ to the penny.
Wow, Casey, you won't believe it.
What's up?
The one time in a while I go to get that quesadilla, they're closed.
Oh no!
Butthurt, dude. Butthurt, bro.
Why are they closed?
Wait. Hold on. There we go. I couldn't. It was like glitching, and I could halfway hear you, halfway couldn't. No,
Why are they closed? What the fuck?
I don't know. I think they took they said like for the holidays, and I'm like, it's Tuesday.
Yo,
Well,
it's
like,
Tuesday, brother.
Ain't Christmas Eve yet. Y'all want to make money or?
You must not realize how Mexican businesses work.
Good. I know. It's just like, come on now. Like, I don't
They're
know.
all down here in my town for the holiday. They'll be here for 2.5 weeks. Dude, Mexicans, they'll take off 3
That
weeks.
shit better be open next week. No.
No chance. They're closed today.
Oh, they have to be if they want to actually keep the place open. Literally, like there's no way. They can't afford to take off 3 weeks of work. There's no chance. It's too small. Too small of a business. I better get my quesadilla next week. I'm demanding it. I'll go in there and whip it up myself. I've seen Homeboy do it 1,000 times. I could do it.
Whip it.
I'll whip it up.
Okay.
Is everybody down there where you are though, Em? Celebrating?
Bro, last night we went out to eat. It took me like 20 minutes to go like 5 blocks. Like,
Oh, hell no.
the whole world is here, dude. I mean, that's what happened. Like, a lot of people that aren't from here, like the way they do holidays, they take off like second, third week of December, and they stay until January 6th, and then they'll head back out. They're begging me to short this.
I think it is. I think it's a great risk reward short right here. I say fuck it.
Only thing that didn't happen was NQ Titch in previous day high. Open up, crackpot. Dude, it may turn into a michelada type afternoon. What is going on here? At FedEx destination facility. Not even out for delivery yet. What are we doing? So this is one of the wildest things I've ever noticed here is like FedEx will come to your house at like 9:30 at night.
I always see FedEx and Amazon Prime are like the latest drivers around me.
Dude, VIX needs to be like 5 points higher. This sucks. gonna have to go trade like leverage long Bitcoin, 100x leverage just to fill something.
Oh yeah.
This has got to be one of the slowest days I've ever seen.
I think today was better than yesterday.
Well, yeah, that's fair.
Yesterday was. There was one trade yesterday on SPY that I saw that I liked. There was nothing else.
I mean, there was one shot at SPY today. I mean, maybe they sweep previous day's high on NQ, but I mean, I don't really have much of anything to like 850s.
David, those shop calls, yeah, we called those ones out like an hour or so ago. Some leaps on those 160s is interesting. There's also Palantir 210 leaps for that same expiration. I wouldn't mind a little pullback down underneath 162, back down to about 157, 155, and then launch after that. Put in the lower high here. See if it gets to move back up.
The VIX is like so low, it's even worth selling premium. Jesus Christ.
What is VIX at? Disgusting. Make volatility great again. VIX drops another dollar. I mean,
Dude, I was looking at that VIX chart earlier. It's literally the lowest it's been since Trump took office.
Yeah, I saw your post.
Dude, that's crazy to think about.
I
Where's
still
Grambo? Where's Grambo at in the comments? Like, who's buying this? That's my question.
want to see
is just-
SPY go from here to there. So look,
689.20.
29. See if we can do it. Don't ask me why that level's there. I have no. Oh, it's highs from Friday, December 5th. I think, and I'm just spitballing here, SPY at the end of the week continues to hold above that area. We're gonna go back to all-time highs, potentially see new ones after. I think if that area right up here, a break and reclaim, continue to hold, especially by the end of the week, I think we could see all-time highs again.
SPY has an unfilled gap. 689.23. Well, Power Hour is going to turn into Michelada Hour. Shop calls.
Yeah, those 160s for June 17, 2027.
What is Jordan doing? That's what I want to know. What is he doing? I never know what he's doing. Oh. Natural gas calls? Did NVO keep running today?
No, I think it came back. Yeah.
Oh,
Came back
Well.
a little bit.
okay. And it needs to come back down to like 51.
Jordy was making another sandwich.
Shit, that's what I needed. I need to figure out some more food.
I mean, I tell you what, that thing comes back down to right here for a retest. If it can sweep underneath 51, comes back down close to like 50 point, like 50, 60 area.
7-7.
Yeah, just like somewhere in there.
50.59. I like that one.
Like just sweep down here, come back up, break and base over top of that, and then catch that bad boy. That wouldn't be bad for a retest entry.
Bro, catch me outside. How about that?
Catch me outside. How about that? How about that? Is this Q short playing out yet or what? I mean, daggone, we done
No.
waited all day for it to hit this level.
Okay, this daggone thing don't want to pull back, bull.
Yeah, it's trying a little bit,
This
but look at the volume. The volume's dead.
about as stubborn as a coon dog.
I would like to see like Q's maybe consolidate up here. SPY relative strength goes up like another 40-ish cents. and then reject, come back down to this spot here, and we close right here. Would be banger. Catch me outside. How about that?
Bro, it almost looks like the market closed early today. It looks like it's just like after hours trading or something. I don't know. It's just me, KC Jordan, and 200 of our closest friends. Oh,
Brent! Let's go, baby! Merry
Super
Christmas!
let's go. Feliz Navidad. Let's kill it next year. 2026 is going to be a banger of a year, especially for traders. Let's go, Brent. Appreciate you. Shout out, Brent. Get W's in the chat for Brent. W. Boom. You know who's slacking? Evan. That guy's just slacking. What is he doing?
Heavy slacker, bro.
Dude, what is he even doing? Sam texted you, by the way. Or I guess he texted us, but question for you.
Don't worry, I talked to him in a separate chat.
Cool.
Honestly, everybody in the audience should just use code Wolf at Vanquish and sell premium with us on days like this. This is the move.
Mhm.
Thanksgiving week, Christmas week, any big holiday week.
I was gonna sell premium, but it didn't even have enough premium. Oh, and Brent gifted a membership. Let's go.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go. Jay Doff, welcome to the Wolf Pack. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. I need to watch that movie. Was that Home Alone 2? I watched Home Alone 1 the other day. I need to watch Home Alone 2.
Apparently, that's a Christian movie.
What is?
Home Alone 2?
Home Alone.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Did you say Christmas or Christian?
Christian.
I mean, what's the one guy, like there's that one I guess, what do you call it? Do you call it a conspiracy theory? Where they like kind of try to connect the dots of like the underlying meanings. But there's like the one old man.
Yeah.
Narnia
This
is a
was-
pretty obvious one. Like that one's a very obvious one.
Well, Narnia, yeah, Narnia, all the Narnia, like all those books in that series are like basically based off of like biblical references.
Yeah,
But
I didn't get that when I was
I
younger.
have seen like the one guy, I can't remember his name in Home Alone, but it's like the old like creepy guy, old man. But like apparently he like shows up and helps him, sees him at church or something.
I gotta look up the cast.
Yeah. Yeah, he talks to him at church, and then they show his hand with the bandage on,
Yeah,
and then he's got the wound on this side, but it also goes through this side. So they were saying that it's like the nails that went through Jesus' hands on the cross. Let me see. Old Man Marley.
Marley, that's the guy.
Marley. Yep.
Yeah, I don't know. I feel like that's kind of a stretch, but like, yeah, I guess you can make the comparisons. All right, let's just get a big sell candle here. Just kidding. Microsoft's about to make a new high. Oh, Tesla big bounce.
Yeah, I think we were just talking about it in the Discord there, if it was related to that headline with Amazon and Oracle for those data centers.
Meta's sitting at high of day.
I mean,
Microsoft
Amazon
looks like it's
just
trying to push there.
slow grind up.
To
Oracle.
Broadcom is getting stuffed at this 350 though, for whatever reason. Amazon
Microsoft
double top
looks
at
good.
IV high.
Microsoft looks good.
To be honest, I don't think
Whoa.
this market shapes up next week either. I think we stay choppy after this week, in the next week, and then the next week we'll actually have data hitting the market. That's when I think we'll see things pick up a bit. But there's like nothing next week really, and it's week after Christmas. I don't know. I'm not expecting much. We'll see what volume's like, but I don't think it's going to shape up as quick as people might think initially.
So, I mean,
Hey, look! You mentioned Evan's name. He just shows up.
Yep.
Shout out to Evan.
He's a man of many faces we've never seen. Or maybe you have seen him, you just didn't realize it.
Ikamochu Will was out there. People thought that was him.
Dude, that was so funny.
I mean, Microsoft looks good for another leg.
I was gonna take a loan, but I stopped out. Ooh. I was gonna take a payout too, but I got stopped.
Da, da, da.
Now I blew my account, and I know why. Yeah.
Apple trying a little bit. Apple's still in that squeeze from earlier.
Dude, how is everything not in a squeeze at this point after yesterday and today?
I took calls here
Ooh.
on Apple.
IWM is in a big squeeze.
It's been in a 15-minute squeeze all day since open. To here on the 30-minute. It's still in the same one. And it looks good on the hourly still too. Apple calls next again.
Do we actually have initial jobless claims tomorrow before the market opens?
I would take the 272.5s again.
What's Apple doing?
John,
Oh,
wait for this 30-minute 1 hour squeeze to fire. It was in the 30-minute. Now it started a 1 hour squeeze, and it's looking good.
Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do.
But it's my Rivian. Can't recall that now.
Rivian.
Uh, six-
Oh.
65%. Do you guys run 1 and 2s in the chat yet?
Nah, dog.
Let's run some 1s and 2s.
But throws a bunch of zeros in the chat, so I'm gonna do.
Hmm.
This music is kind of vibing though. These 5-minute charts look ridiculous, dude. It's just stupid. NVIDIA's 5-minute chart. Dumb.
Dumb.
Netflix 5-minute chart. Dumb.
Hospital's trying to rob me, dude.
The hospital?
Yeah, well, I went to their emergency room like, I don't know, 3 weeks ago to get like that redness checked out. And
Oh yeah?
I mean, they didn't know what the hell it was either. But he gave me Zyrtec, which is not something I even need to be prescribed. And now they didn't bill my insurance, so I just got a $1,500 bill in the mail. So now I gotta send it back and tell them, hey man, bill my insurance, not me.
Yeah, you guys
Asshole.
can keep that.
Yeah, you guys can keep that. I ain't picking that up. You got me fucked up.
Nah, dog.
I
Apple
ain't
New
catching
High
that
Day.
one. I ain't catching that falling knife, bro.
Nah, dog.
That's crazy if you think I'm doing
It's
that.
gonna be a no for me, dog.
Yeah, no for me.
It's a no from me, dog.
I'll pay like the $100 that I rightfully owe, but crazy. Yeah, they're lucky they're gonna get any money. Shit, they didn't do nothing for me.
So why is the up chart emoji like a red line? That always drives
I
me
know,
crazy.
right?
Dumbest thing. That one right there. Why is that a red line? It's going up.
I hate it.
Marijuana news circulating.
Cheers.
By the end of January, a final rule on marijuana. MSOS getting a pop. Sort
In
of.
Japan, it's inverted. The emoji.
That's
you
not
guys,
what I thought.
you guys
Not
ever
what I
had
thought he was talking
sour?
about.
You ever had sourdough bread?
Sourdough is one of my favorite breads.
I just
Dude,
had that chicken
so
sandwich with sourdough.
she has been like making her own sourdough here, and makes like our bread, our buns, our loaves, and everything from sourdough. And she just made a loaf of sourdough that's got chocolate chips in it, and just cut me a slice of this shit, dude.
Oh, bruh.
A little bit of powdered sugar on top of it too. I'm about to try this out.
KC living that good life.
Mm.
I kind of did, Boris, but it's gone now. And I know it wasn't that. It also, if you look it up, there's like 100 different things that you could look up and it looks just like. I'm good now though. I'm good.
So
Pretty much all
Japan
done.
or China, up is red and green is down. Kind of dumb. Shout out to the Asians.
Green indicates a loss or a downward trend. Make it make sense.
Why is it green and red though? Like, have you ever just thought about that? Like, why do we use green and red?
Red like stop, green like go.
That's it.
I mean, red apples are better than green apples.
Oh,
Dude, a red
Agreed.
delicious? Are you kidding
Could
me?
agree.
I mean,
Could agree.
Granny Smith's okay, but a red delicious?
actually,
I
you know
could
what?
agree.
I personally, just me, my favorite ones are I like pink lady apples,
Those are good.
and then are they the Fuji apples?
Fuji's are good.
Those are, I
Fuji.
think those are probably my favorite ones.
I don't even like apples, but I've tried them. I can definitely tell you is it Fuji or is it Fiji? I think it's Fiji.
Is it Fiji apples or Fuji apples?
I think it's Fiji.
Honey Crisp? Yeah, those are good too.
It's
Green apples
Fuji.
are for making
Fuji
I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure
pies.
it's Fuji.
Is it? I don't.
Yeah.
Dude, I don't.
It's Fuji apples. Yeah.
It is Fuji. Okay.
Yeah, dude, those are probably the
Bro, Red Delicious just
Just the old. Yeah.
satisfies
just-
that crunch too. Just something about it, man.
Yeah.
So
Every
good.
once in a while, I'll be hungry, and it's just like just grab a red delicious real fast.
So
Trading View needs
American.
a search thing on this emoji thing, so you can just type something in instead of fucking scrolling through shit.
Honey Crisp is the only correct answer for eating. Green is for baking. How much apples are you guys baking? Why does everyone say baking out? Like, what are we doing? You guys just a
If
bunch
you're
of
baking a sour
bakers?
apple into my apple pie, not really. Like, I'm sure it could be good, but I want an apple pie that has normal apples. So I hope you're not. Just only baking
green
the
apple
sour
as a
ones.
flavor. Green apple as a flavor is not bad at times.
No, it's good.
Some
A
of
little
those energy
sour,
drinks?
you know. It's good.
Green apple.
It's just not at the top of the list.
Did we take previous day's high yet? I've sat here for.
We're ticks. Oh yeah, we just grabbed it on NQ.
I think
Just
so,
grabbed it.
yeah. On Q's.
Just
Yeah.
grabbed it.
No, we didn't.
Or on
Right,
MNQ.
TTQ did.
Now we did. Now we did.
I'm still waiting for Spy to get his
I'm
leg
looking
up.
at MNQ, so yeah.
Da 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 da.
I was gonna clean my room. Then I got high.
Why am I getting an alert on Amazon? Because it made a new high day. You know, when it back tested 230, that's when I set the alert, and I didn't take the trade.
I'm actually gonna try the short here.
Ugh.
5 minutes till power hour. Where's Santa? He's in my spread account. It's pumping it.
Maple killed him.
Yeah, but Maple did him dirty, so he hasn't really been giving the market enough love. We're doing good overall today, though. I mean, look at Spots. But that slow grind up, it's just hard to sit and make money in.
Whoa. I've never heard of that before. That's a cool named apple. A Cosmic Crisp.
Cosmic Crisp?
A Cosmic Crisp apple.
What does that mean?
No, I gotta Google it.
Better be crispy.
Look, I'm just gonna say I'm not Googling Cosmic Crisp apple right now.
Dude, I'm telling you, do it. You'd probably like it.
Oh, can we not rip so fast?
It was developed by Washington State University for its exceptional crunch and juiciness.
So should I just cover this short for like a 2-point game and be like, yep, gotta win?
Yeah.
Oh,
Where do you
like the cereal?
Where do
No,
you
are you guys
find
talking
that?
about cereal now? Or is this an actual apple?
No, that's an apple. Cosmic Crisp apple.
Oh.
Dude, Google it. Tell me. You gotta figure out how to get that. It's your favorite? Where the fuck you guys finding these apples? Dude, they sell them at Walmart.
Hey, it's a good place.
If not, I'm gonna get puts again.
Dude, what?
Well, it says right here. Oh, here's a bag of them. Oh, Walmart. Fresh Cosmic Crisp apples. Pick up today. All right, I'm going to order some Cosmic Crisp apples. I can get a 3-pound bag for $4.57. Delivered in an hour. We'll be able to test it out here live on stream right when it closes.
Oh, let's go. I'm not closing the stream until you test out this apple. It's like we have anything better to do.
Dude, there's a bunch of crazy named apples. Dude, what is that? I don't even know how to pronounce that. Ambrosia?
Ambrosia?
Yeah, something like that.
Ambrosia?
That's
How many,
the name of an apple too. It's more of like a red and yellow color.
This is probably a dumb question, but
Ask
maybe
it
not
away,
dumb,
son.
but all right, how many? What's the term? It wouldn't be like strands. Like how many
Breeds.
breeds? Is that the correct term
For what? Of apples?
of apples? How many do you think there are? Like, let's just nobody Google it yet. Just how many?
Okay.
I just take a random guess.
Did you look it up already?
I have not looked it up yet.
Okay. I'm gonna say there can't be that many, right?
I bet it's more than you think. Like it's probably like 50 or something.
I'm gonna say 85. I'm gonna say
I'm
85.
gonna go 42. Jordan, how many you got?
Different strains of apples?
Yeah.
Holy shit! I just googled it. We are so
Wait.
off.
Wait,
Whoa! What the hell?
153.
What?
Not
Jordan?
even you're not even in the ballpark, brother.
Dude, 7,500.
7,500 known varieties.
Dude, fuck all that. I mean, it's an apple.
About 2,500 are grown in the U.S. Only a small fraction are traded globally, with a 20 to 40, with about 15 accounting for most U.S. production.
That's
Oh,
insane.
Yikes.
I knew it was gonna be like, what did I say? I was like, it's gonna be something like you would not
But
expect. I
it's
didn't think it'd be
because there's like a
thousands.
bunch of different hybrids where they just like it's like dogs.
Yeah, like,
it's like
Play around with them,
Yeah, it's like-
crossbreed them.
yeah, it's like the dude who invented the freaking mini golden doodle. Like fuck that guy. Like he just took two dogs that should have never been breeded, and there's just so many.
Yeah, like a bulldog and a Shih Tzu.
Oh, that's an ugly dog.
You ever seen a bulldog and a Shih Tzu? Call it a bullshit. Are you guys collecting Pokemon? Or what is?
Pokemon. I can go grab some Pokemon cards.
Or what's MTG trading cards?
I don't know. Unless it's Yu-Gi-Oh, I don't know. Dude, I got a bunch of like
Somebody
expensive
tell me what
Pokemon
MTG
cards
is.
in my safe right now. I just sit there and collect dust.
He's talking about Magic playing cards. I believe.
I don't even know
Magic
what
the
that is.
Gathering.
Yeah,
Oh,
I used to play that.
well, I'm gonna wear out the old AI over here today. Magic the Gathering. Official site for MTG news, sets, and events.
Oh, QQQ, poppin'. Come on, take fire with you now. What are you? Now it's flipping. Amazon. Nice little grind up here.
What is this? This looks like Pokemon, but different.
It's like back in the day, it was like the cool Pokemon. It's like a better your
no,
older brother was
sir.
playing this while you were doing Pokemon.
Stop.
No, this is exactly what it was.
This is not the cool Pokemon,
Yeah.
sir. I object to that comment.
Yeah, at the time, like it was me and all my friends were playing Pokemon, and then all of our older brothers would have like the Magic stuff, and that was like the cool shit.
I think cool Pokemon would be Yu-Gi-Oh.
Or that Yu-Gi-Oh.
Yu-Gi-Oh
was
was
another
my
one.
shit, dude.
Yu-Gi-Oh was dope too. I think those two were way better than Pokemon any day. Would choose.
I remember I had
those
a whole binder of cards, and I think they were called the Egyptian God cards. I
Mhm.
had all of them in English, and I imagine Japanese is the other ones. Same thing
Probably.
for Exodia. All of the pieces that you had to get. You had to get like
Mhm.
the head, the arms, and the legs. You could build like the whole dude. I had all of those. I had like freaking thousands and thousands of dollars worth of that shit. My mom sold that at a yard sale for like $40. It's
Bro, the
like-
worst. The worst. Ugh.
Dude, I fleeced a kid for a Snorlax on the playground back in the day.
Let's go. Hey, hey, cause I got hot, because I got hot, because I got hot.
I was gonna shorten Q.
Are you guys monetized on YouTube?
Yes, sir.
I just figured out what that was to set this up on
Let's go. You should.
mine. I had no idea what it was, and then
I make
did
money
it.
on every month just on my personal. Post a couple of videos. And
Yeah, I didn't. I freaking didn't know. Like I met the standards for that. I thought it had to be something like freaking crazy.
No, That's pretty
to
easy.
start doing that. Dude, the only thing I can't figure out is this freaking banner to put on because it just doesn't.
Where's Wattbender? Why is Ondas down 6% today? He told me
Because
that last night China was gonna like something was gonna happen. We're gonna ban DJI. Everybody was gonna stop flying their drones, and Ondas was going to fucking new all-time high. It's down 6%.
Let's see, where is this at?
The banner can be the worst part of all of it, Casey.
Like, I don't how do you get it to be?
So whatever you have on the banner needs to be smaller, but you don't want to make it like as you make it smaller, it loses quality. So you have to like I
It's
don't
like your
even do
guys'
it.
banner, it shows the exact same no matter what device you're on.
I know.
Mine,
I don't know.
I can't do that on mine. Like,
I don't even
can't
know
figure
how
it.
they did that, bro. I have no idea.
Dude, it's insane.
I was trying to do that for myself for the longest time.
I've tried with every like dimension.
So yours
I've
looks-
messed with everything. And
But
I
yours
can't
looks
figure it out.
different. Yours looks different. I mean, does it look
Ours
right
looks
on
exactly the same no matter what device you're on, but
Yeah,
Casey's looks
like,
different.
like how?
But what?
How do you get it to look the same on all devices? I can't figure this shit out.
Casey, yours looks too big on both of mine.
Well, I just changed it to something else last night because I was getting frustrated. I said, "Fuck it, let me just throw this thing on
Oh.
there."
Yeah.
I was messing with so many different freaking banners, and it kept changing it, and it would look good on one, and then wouldn't look good on the other ones. And I'm like, "How do you get it to look the same across the board?" Couldn't figure it out. I need to hire somebody to do this. I don't even know how to change the description of my YouTube channel.
Waiting to sell puts. I wouldn't sell puts.
You're gonna
intraday
sell puts
any
at high
longer.
day?
Yeah, the puts should have been sold this morning. I sold mine at like 10:07 or something like that.
Dude, why is the dollar just getting wrecked? I need the dollar to be like 140.
For the best result in all devices, use an image that has 2048 by 1152 pixels.
Dude, dadgummit, dude. The dollar's all the way down under 18.
That's
Against
a
the face of David.
freaking lie.
Dadgummit.
That is a lie. YouTube is lying to me.
I need that dollar back. I need a strong dollar, Trump.
Tickets popping right here.
Did SPX hit 10? Nope.
Carvana, or not Carvana, Canva. I can try. Let me go log into my Canva. Like here, this is the one right now. CJ, I'll send this one to you. See if
Tomorrow I
work
will
your
just be
magic.
selling spreads. I won't even try and trade anything.
Oh, I ain't doing spreads tomorrow.
No?
It's only
No,
half a
I'm
day.
Yeah, on a half day. Premium's gonna
Help me
be-
understand though, if there's 0 days and you can catch the juice on a contract early in the morning, why would it matter?
You're gonna have to go closer to at the money, which will just be a little bit higher risk.
True.
That's the only issue because your farther out ones aren't going to have enough premiums. You're going to have to bring it in closer, which is
True.
just going to make it. Now,
It's
if
gonna-
price
It's
doesn't
gonna
go
be like
anywhere,
selling. It's gonna be like selling premium like at 1 p.m. because of how short the day is.
yeah, essentially, yeah. What sizes need to be? I don't know, JT. That's what I'm trying to figure out. I don't know.
Oh, IWM's breaking out of that
So
squeeze to the upside.
YouTube. YouTube says 20 by 48 by 1152 pixels for best.
Isn't that what I sent you?
I don't know. Maybe.
Any thoughts on Carvana?
Sure.
Well, it bounced off the 20-day basically today.
It held the gap. Look, literally to the gap fill. There, it's
Probably, yeah. So it's probably a reshort at 443 or 445. And then, yeah. Can we get a red candle?
literally held the low from Monday, December 8th, almost like to the penny to keep itself from going into that daily gap. So I took puts on Monday here on the live stream for it because of that reason right there. Nothing more than on the Sunday night live stream, the just break of that here.
Yeah, well, I like how Friday came down too and
There.
closed at the lows
That
after a gap up run. Failure to go higher.
and your gap fill is that.
Didn't Carvana get put into the S&P?
That's the reason why it ripped up.
Yeah, and it's probably going to take a little bit of time for it to, because you get like passive flows into it now. I know there's a lot of questions around there because they do a lot of I think they do a lot of lending, so they have like a lot of debt that people are worried about. I don't know. That's what the fundamental guys tell me. Oh, IWM actually moving.
Presentation
Ooh,
YouTube
Walmart new
thumbnail.
low.
Yeah. Say it again.
I
Say
need
it
you to buy
again.
some. I need you to buy some more products there, sir.
Damn!
Buy you some more apples. To look at Exxon on that 120 rejection.
That's Walmart going off a cliff.
Yeah. What's Walmart look like on the daily?
The evening star at the high. That was the signal. That was the bat signal. And then I took it
The
on
bat.
that rejection. I have no position though. I already closed it. But I do think 110 will most likely hit. Oh, CJ. Let's see. Download this to Casey YouTube banner. Appreciate you, CJ. Save it to the downloads. Save. Go test this out, CJ.
Come on, just give me 10 points. Come on, NQ.
Ooh, that looks like a little 5-minute evening star. Nine times out of 10. Let's see. What'd SPY do? I mean, it's in the middle, but let's see. See if M can get that little short right here, just right back down to there.
A-Trade, I called out that MSOS news a little bit earlier, and it popped, what, like 20 cents?
Casey trade banners. All right. See, this is what Can I take a picture of this? This is the issue. I don't understand how it works. I don't understand how they can say that. Because that's stupid.
Oh, dude, it's Michelada time. What are we doing?
Minchi time?
Oh, Miche.
My mic probably sounds different. I switched to my AirPods. I'm outside.
Ooh. Yeah, you getting some D?
Yeah, I'm trying to get the little bit of sun that's trying to shine through the clouds right now.
Yeah, there you go, getting some D, man.
Get that D. Yesterday he was giving that net. You remember that?
Oh,
Boy.
yeah.
What that neck do?
Oh, come on, sun. Get around that cloud.
Now let me go to my YouTube and see if that did anything. I guarantee you it probably didn't. No. See? YouTube, you're a freaking liar. The one that you tell me to use is not the best, YouTube. I don't understand. Like on mobile, it is terrible. But if you go to Wolf Trading
Looks good.
on mobile and go look at that banner, it fits in there perfectly. I don't understand.
It's because it's not like it's something to do with the resolution, like it's like 16:9, but it's whatever that pixel size is that I sent you. That was the difference. Ondas did catch a little bounce when I started talking shit about it. Dude, it just bounced like 50 cents as soon as I said that.
It needs to bounce $50.
It's like 3% move. Ondas.
I need to just go to Fiverr and pay somebody to figure this shit out.
Yeah, no fiber.
The tax write off, anyways.
Where's Knots and everybody? Like, where is everybody?
Enjoying the holiday week away from the market.
Shit, I just don't enjoy being away from the market.
I'm here for attendance purposes only. That's what I told the Discord for tomorrow. I was like, shit, tomorrow's a half day. I'm here for attendance.
They keep that
Present.
attendance streak going.
Call me A Ron.
Chuck Quillen.
Is there a Jay Quellen here?
Blackie.
Oh, I see. Y'all want to play. Okay. I got my eye
What do you
on
say?
each other.
What do you say? I used to teach in the inner city.
Yeah. You want to go
Blake.
Blake? What? D nice. Say your name right. Denise the nice.
Say it right.
Denise
Say it
nice.
right. Say it.
Denise the nice. D
What did he
nice
call
that
the-
better.
What do you call the principal? Oshak Hennessy? or-
Oshak Hennessy? He said, take your ass down to Oshak Hennessy's office and tell exactly what you did. He's like, who? Oshak Hennessy. Principal O'Shaughnessy? Get your ass out of my classroom.
Damn it!
Insubordinate.
Takes a
Charge.
insubordinate. Cherish.
Now, Timothy. Present.
Dude, Key and Peele had some great skits.
Bro, king faces. That's dope. How did you do that? Also, why is the city on fire behind my banner though?
Whoa.
It got like, dude, it's pretty. Go to the Discord and go to the chat. Look what king faces just put in there. Pretty dope. The lightning strikes the city, and then all of a sudden it gets on fire. No evening star. We're going to the new highs.
Just the bottom of the just the bottom of the buildings, and it's interesting. What is?
No, leave the fire thing. It's pretty cool. I like it. I already
Dude,
downloaded
actually-
it anyways.
I actually like, even if it wasn't moving, I actually like it.
Right? Oh, you use Grok for that. I downloaded it. It's a Grok video.
Dude, I heard the Nano Banana thing or whatever is like the goated one now.
Dude, that's pretty dope. I'm going to add that to my WAP page. Let's go.
Wop 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 wop.
I can't figure out this Google shit. Yeah, I mean, that's really why I'm trading tomorrow. I'm just here so I don't get fined.
A little Marshawn Lynch. Quick reminder, everyone, make sure you hit the live button so you're chatting with us live in real time. I'm just here so I don't get fined. What a goat. TMC. TMC. US has taken steps to approve seabed mining. The metals company. Oh. Dude, Marshawn Lynch was such a goat. You remember when he drove? Dude, have you seen this? Look at this gif right here. I remember when this happened.
Oh, yeah. He's so funny.
Is there a YouTube link? Just so obviously there's the Wolf Trading one, but there's also KC Trades. Was it KC Trades 777?
Yeah. That be the one.
Oh, Jordan, was today the
What's up?
the Future show?
Yeah, but I think
Did they not
things
send out
were-
reminders for it?
I think things were on the back burner because Christmas. No. Like, I know a lot of, at least like almost all the Clear Edge boys are out for Christmas, so I don't.
CJ said this doesn't work. We're going to short Google. All right, let's see. YouTube banner. We'll save it to the downloads. Save. All right, CJ, let's try this one. Change. Downloads. YouTube banner. It could be something to do with the resolution.
That's what it has to be.
See, the resolution on this one's 96 by 96. So that could be.
No, it has to be It has to be 16 by 9 on the aspect ratio, and that's why like the pixelation has to be like whatever that 2510 by 1440 or something. Dude, I haven't heard anybody say Vommy Dolphin in a minute.
The Vommy Dolphin. Let's go, Sadie.
I don't think we have a Vommy Dolphin, but I do think it can maybe like drop 10 points and make me a couple $100 and call it a day.
What's up, Nara?
What's going on, guys?
Hey, Nara, the paint's dry, the grass is growing.
Snow is falling here.
Is
Oh,
it?
yeah?
Not here, sir.
Almost a little rain in California. Not quite yet. It's cloudy. Just trying to get some sun. I haven't taken a single trade, Nora, on futures.
Yeah,
70,
really.
72 degrees at my house.
And we're literally sitting at all-time high.
Yeah.
I mean, actually, we're over it. Are we over it?
I don't know, QQQ, but...
we are. We're over it on ES.
QQQ still got...
SPX not quite.
Ways.
NQ not quite. NQ is a big one, big resistance, 25,830.
Yeah, QQQ still has to rip like 2.5% to get to all-time highs. Lagging.
Oh.
Yet.
All right, DJ, they fixed it on desktop, but not mobile. So we're halfway there.
Let's go. Getting it figured out.
We're over here just trying to fix Casey's YouTube banner at this point, Nara. That's how our afternoon's been.
This is bullshit. Now,
Oh, Gov's on here too. What's up, Gov?
What's up, Gov?
What's up, boys? How you doing?
Surviving.
How many trades has everybody done today?
0. I've sold spreads, so if you count that, 2 because I'm
6.
in an Iron Condor.
6. All right.
No futures trades for me though.
Only
It's like
only
one futures trade. Actually, I'm in the second one right now.
I would have had one early AM, but literally the first candle opened up and ripped to all my targets to the upside, and I had no setup for an entry at all. So I just said, you know what, that's the way it is for this week.
and that's pretty much it this time of year. man.
Silver, Apple.
There was a good
Walmart.
opportunity on gold today. 2 directions.
Tesla, Marvell.
I took one trade and that was Nasdaq, and it basically on the retest of yesterday's low a day. So I got long there. And
I took 8 trades. Jesus.
really.
Overtraded.
One trade, and I took that basically into the VPOC area from yesterday, and took those points, and that was pretty much it. I mean, basically 60 points.
That's a solid move, given the week. Take 60 points. I had
Yeah,
one short yesterday, but, I mean, this market is for selling premium, in my opinion.
Yeah, I mean, the holiday week, especially the way the Christmas Eve and days are following this week, following on the particular business days this week. I mean, it just gives everybody a pass to take the entire week off,
Yeah.
And if anything, you just know that there's going to be just a few more buyers than sellers. So there's your little drift up. And we kind of talked about it on our pre-market call yesterday, our pre-market call today, that it's like, that's what your expectation should be, of like, look for an area to get long and kind of just sit tight.
Yeah, look at that heat map. It's the last hour. Casey? You're muted.
Daggone it, my bad.
You're good.
Is
Yeah.
that the last? Is that literally the
Dude,
last
look,
hour?
everything is
Nothing?
0.00. Look at that.
30 minutes
Everything is
is nothing.
0.00.
Good God.
This is
Everything's
dumb. Except for, oh man, CCZ, short that thing.
Uh-oh.
What happened with Comcast?
It was one trade. Looks like.
I don't see nothing on this thing, but
Yeah, one guy sold 5 shares.
it looks like it. Dude, that is, what about 4 hours? Is it any better? Oh, just Walmart with the big red. Let's go.
Damn.
Everything else, nothing. Yeah, that is the worst
All right.
hourly heat map I've ever seen. Let me send this.
There's one little. What's that one little green dot in the very middle of your screen?
Oh, let me send this real quick.
In that very, very middle of the screen. I see,
Yeah,
like,
there's
one
something
little
down
green dot.
there.
Right
What
here.
is that? Yeah, what is that?
Oh my God.
Whoa! What is that?
WBHC up 128%. That is
Wilson
going to be
Bank
Wilson
Holding.
Bank Holding Company.
What is that?
I don't know.
It's had one
but-
trade in 3 years.
Like
no
there's
way.
there's nothing here on the chart, but yeah, the
One
stock-
trade in 3 years.
That should have been a gold nugget or something.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
look on this daily chart. The last trade was in
Today.
August, and then
yeah, from August
What
until
is
now, up
this?
128%.
What's the go-to for you boys when you're getting into the new year like this? I'm kind of anticipating it's slow and choppy like we've seen this past week, but usually started off strong.
It's usually pretty quiet for me. The last week of the year, and then first week of the new year tend to be pretty quiet weeks for me trading traditionally.
I typically don't do anything. I mean, I basically just chill. I mean, it's just an opportunity to just, refuel. That's kind of how I look at it. Opportunity to refuel and just, and also just kind of stay out of the way. I mean, the trades can be kind of tricky. I mean, now you can just see with just like, just all it takes is a few more buyers and sellers and you get a drift up. And you could see little setups where people were looking at eyeing levels and they were shorting them, and they were just providing fuel to the fire for the continued drift. It's like, it's got to know the nature of the market around this time. It's almost like a normal Friday after like 10:30 Central, It's like it's just kind of just that low vol time. And you can slowly but surely get your ass handed to you. If you keep trying to like just throw in little shorts, all of a sudden it's like you keep getting squeezed for 2, 3, 4 points. And it's like, and now you're down how much? It's like the trend it's a slow moving trend train up,
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, I think I shared my screen. Can you guys see my screen?
Let me throw it up there. There we go. Gotcha.
I was just going to point out, so I've got the ES. I mean, it's a 3-minute ES, and then it should have 3-minute on the other. But anyway, it's a 3 and 2-minute chart, whatever. I mean, the only thing that I was eyeing, and I was watching closely how the ratio of NQ to ES was. Typically, that ratio is kind of like in a 4 to 6 range, whether NQ is trading higher or lower. And I'll look for that to expand with especially with the move up or move down. But if that ratio is trading around 8 to 10 or greater, it's like I'm really leaning heavily on just kind of trading the NASDAQ to the downside or the short side. And when you see that ratio move out, like something like 14, 16, typically there's going to be a degree of contraction. And you could see, so I mean, for you guys that trade the spreads, I mean, that could be, I don't know if you kind of utilize, that sort of aspect of the ratio of ES to NQ, but it really can be kind of helpful. But one thing I saw, it's like how the NQ really just started taking off, and just kind of thought that NQ, if it really moves, it's going to be the leader for the day. And again, it's like I looked for the long at the retest of yesterday's low day, and that area held. And if you were only looking at ES, I mean, you had to move down right away off the open, and then it kind of came up, and then we sold down, and it kind of came down into that 69, 24, 25 area. And you synthetically could have executed a long on ES off of this NQ. And that does, I mean, that kind of sounds somewhat unorthodox for people, but for the most part, we know NQ leads up and leads down, right? It's the weighted text that everybody keeps now they're putting them in they're stocking stuffers this week. So you just kind of knew that was going to be, that's where the leadership was going to be. So you could have gotten long ES off of NQ, but the cleaner trade was simply just get long EQ at that area. It was definable risk, because if you got stopped out, you knew you had the potential for the gap filled below. So there was a good 30, 40 points of risk there. So you could easily just had maybe 15 points of risk to kind of participate in the long. And if you got stopped out, so be it. But we were actually eyeing that area below for a potential gap fill to actually initiate longs. And it really wasn't until we just had like several bounces off this area here at 25, 6, 30, 33 area that kind of just justified participating on the long. So I mean, that literally was the only trade I took, and it's the only thing I've seen that you've been able to participate in. And if you had runners, technically, I mean, you could still be in the long trade,
Yeah,
I do it all the time, like the exact opposite of the scenario you described there. But I'll trade NQ based off of when I see an ES level or an SPX level. So like basically the exact reverse of what you just said, but the same exact concept. Like I do that all the time. But I love that example that you gave.
I think so. The reason I do it that way is because I think that, like when we look at the SPX and the NDX gaps, I think that I personally just think the NDX gaps are a little bit more respected than the SPX, because all of a sudden the NDX it'll literally it'll reject that area or accept that, it'll reject that gap area for a long or a short, and it just seems that SPX always seems to fall short. And there's plenty of times where the opposite is true, but that's the only reason I do it that way.
I wanted us to fill that gap that we left so bad this morning.
We almost did, yeah.
We all did. That's what we were preaching.
I was like, yeah, please just give me a layup on a day like today, and of course they didn't.
Yeah. So are you guys going to be trading tomorrow or Friday?
We may be chart watching.
Yeah.
We do this thing some days where it's we're live and we're here, kind of like today. Just do a lot of watching. Live, we call it live watching instead of live trading.
There you go.
I just don't see myself having an edge the rest of the week, so
I don't either.
I probably won't really try anything in that area. Maybe just try and continue to sell some spreads.
I think there is an edge, and I think the edge is just
find a dip.
Turn off the sell button.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
And I mean, when you have these really, really low volume days, and the only thing that I had going on is I had an automated trade get long today at 69.39, and I'm still long a couple of contracts. I don't see it getting out until 5 o'clock more than likely, unless something happens. But yeah, it's just those are the type of days where you can make decent money if you just sit long. But if you're shorting on days like this, you should be asking for a lobotomy for Christmas.
Yep.
Yeah.
Even I wasn't trying to short this thing all day. I
did.
stopped 1 in the morning.
I took
I
a
got one in the
short. That was
morning
one of
and
my
I stopped.
first trades of the day.
Casey nailed
Yeah,
the
it was
short.
same for me. And then once we didn't get down
I hit
to
the
fill
short
gap,
at
we just-
9:53 a.m. and caught the biggest downside red move.
I tried to play it a little safer and sold the call spreads, but
Hell yeah.
no,
Right.
that move was like that was the best short of the day right there. That's all you could have grabbed really to have like a good move, and you got it.
I shorted 730s and covered at it was like 690 or something like that, somewhere in there. And then I didn't get, then like it went back higher and I didn't short it again at 750 and it dropped 100 points. And then I just watched it just float back up the whole day.
I had one short. I shorted 47. I had a scale at 45 for half, and I got stopped at break even at 49. And that right there, that just told me, I was like, again, the thesis early on today is like, there's just going to be a few more buyers than sellers. So just like stay the hell out of the way or turn the sell button off.
I don't think I've even taken a long trade in December yet.
Really?
somehow or another.
Really?
Now that's kind of
So remember I showed it like a week ago on stream.
Bizarre. I can say like over probably 60% of my trades are long.
I'm normal conditions. I short like 65% of the time.
Yeah.
Like
you
right at 2 out of 3. And
I think
but like
Minxie still has you beat though.
no, she longs more than I like.
Really?
At least so far, like this month, she's longed more than I have.
I think I'm 60% of the time more short because that's
Are you?
typically,
Yeah.
that's typically the elevator move down, you know?
Makes sense. Yeah. Makes
Here,
sense.
let me see. Trade direction.
Oh, are you checking it?
I'm trying to check it. Hold on. So this is since like November.
I'm excited to have a fresh yearly
14.55.
P&L.
14.55%.
Oh damn.
So it's 85% shorts since like
That's
November.
Yeah, it's hefty. It's always nice to have a fresh yearly P&L. I'm stoked.
Did you
Just
guys
start
have any of your
from zero.
automated on? Jordan or
I had initial balance, but it didn't do anything to me.
okay, because I mean, Dan, you said you took.
I'm
that-
starting to play with the orb a lot more though.
That was the
Which,
you got
so-
long.
Which strategy was it that went long for you, Nara?
It's one called Ranger that's going to be in the. We opened our strategy marketplace last week, so there's lots of different strategies from people that have created them, and the one that got long today is I only run 4 strategies pretty consistently on funded accounts, and this is one of them, and I can show you what it looks like.
Why did he get long off of 39? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Or 40 or whatever.
Probably broke out of the
opening
That
range.
was a breakout trade.
Opening range breakout.
yeah. So it's looking for continuation trades, but it's looking for like prior day low, prior day high.
So previous session high was 936. We got that big candle back through it.
It's waiting for the candle close above that on 30-minute, which was I guess.
Oh, 30-minute.
Oh,
So then
So
it pulled back and you got, yeah, okay.
yeah, so that was it. Just looking for continuation trades, directional moves. Doesn't do well when market goes sideways. Doesn't care which way it goes as long as it goes.
Yeah, I'm trying to play around with the orb a bit more. I've just been playing around with the settings and
It's a really good
figures, so-
NQ orb strategy in the market now.
is that okay?
Really good.
I gotta check those out.
Yeah.
How's the Gov Gap been doing, Gov?
I,
Hasn't traded really much in the last
A
couple
little
of
quieter with the market.
weeks. Yeah,
makes
it's
sense.
only had in the last couple of weeks, maybe. Let's see.
it's had quite a few in December, but not this week.
This week it's
Gotcha.
had 2 trades, 2 losses. In the last month, had 7 trades. So not a whole lot of trades. It's been pretty quiet. That's a strategy that like doesn't do great when volatility's falling. You want volatility to be either staying flat or going up. So with volatility just collapsing like it has pretty much the month of December, that strategy is going to be weak. You have other stuff that does well when you have collapsing volatility, but that one particularly is going to do much better when you have expanded ranges and bigger gap ups and bigger gap downs. So it's sort of been a quiet month for that.
Tell you what, this the marketplace that we've got that Nora was just talking about, guys. This is going to be really cool. I mean, because just imagine just the mix of strategies that people have been working on for how long, and we're able to kind of put them in there. We're able to kind of test, provide support to them, kind of endorse it, and then people have an opportunity to just build their own portfolio of strategies, like completely different, constructs of market, times of year. I mean, people that just have just a bunch of different strategies. I mean, I think this is really going to be a hit. I'm looking forward to the next couple of months, see how that pans out.
Yeah, no, I fully agree. I mean,
I just
What better
shared
spot
one
for
that's
everybody to
going live next week.
here, I'll throw it up there for you. There we go. We can bring your screen back up too.
This is on 2 minute on MNQ.
Oh wow, that's done really well. Profit factor is nice on that.
The last 7 days trading 1 MNQ.
Very nice.
Pretty good.
Yeah, pretty
This is the other one that I've been running a fair amount. Right, that's killer month trading on 1 micro. So that's gonna be a fun one. I think people are gonna like that one a lot because it trades a lot. People like seeing action. Right, Tommy? Yeah,
Yeah,
people like seeing
things that
action.
happen.
So this one is busy. I mean, over the last, what did it do? Yeah, it had a drawdown today. Today's the first red day it's really had. It had all these trades today, so I didn't have a good day today. It was down about $500 for me trading one micro, but it's been on a pretty good steady streak up over the past week. I mean, look at the trades. You're taking $75 risk per trade and making $1,000 in a week. That's pretty killer. And that's with
Ooh,
being
Nvidia's
down.
a big sell side imbalance.
That's with being down like $400 on it today. So it was actually up more. That's a nice strategy to run on like a funded account too, because it's just gonna grind.
Yep.
So that one's really exciting. I'm excited for people to get their hands on that one. I think they're going to do a 7-day trial on it too. I don't know what they're going to price it at. We don't micromanage what people want to sell their stuff for.
That's
But-
cool. You just let them do their own thing, and
Yeah, I mean the market,
love that.
free market will figure out pricing. You know,
Yeah.
if people don't buy it, it's priced too high. If they are all buying it, you're probably priced too low. So
Yeah, exactly.
you know, let the free market figure it out, and the more stuff that we get out there. I mean, right now we have 3 that are live. There'll be at least 3 more next week, maybe 4 more next week, which will be 7, and then a couple more the week after. So we'll be looking by mid-January, you're looking at 10, 12 strategies on there. And hopefully sort of more and more come to us and say, hey, I want to sell. This is another one. This is a gold strategy that I've been playing with. This one's going to be on next week too. Go to this one.
Oh wow.
This one's overnight too. 1 minute gold. This is trading 1 GC. I have this on a 150K account. Takes about 500 or 600 risk per trade. Yeah, 500. But yeah, this is pretty killer. This has been really good.
Yeah, really solid. 2.2
So
profit.
stuff like
factor.
that too, and we're gonna build like a portfolio builder tool. So essentially, in our dashboard, you'll be able to compare performance of different strategies and figure out what sizing you should run for everything, so that you can make it work in whatever account you have.
Did you guys call out the MOC?
No, we did not.
7.
It's light though. 703 million to the sell side. That's
It was
good.
Nvidia was a big sell imbalance. Is the only thing I saw notable.
Hmm.
I don't know. I'm just trying to get 10 points. I mean, too much to ask for.
Well, I am gonna check out here, guys. I will check you later. I hope everybody has a wonderful holiday.
Hope you do too, Nara.
Hope you do
Always
as
a
well,
pleasure
brother.
chatting, brother.
Yep, absolutely. And yeah, I think that next year will be a lot of fun trading. Very excited for things to come, and
Oh yeah.
see you guys
gonna
later. Enjoy.
Yeah. See you later. Merry Christmas.
See you, Nara.
It's gonna be a fun
Merry Christmas to you guys,
2026.
too.
Yeah. Tell the family happy holidays from us.
Will
Yes.
do. Thanks, guys.
From the Wolf Crew.
Big shout out to Nara. If you guys aren't following him on X, you definitely should. You just follow the Clear Edge account as well. Make sure you're trying out Clear Edge. You guys use code Wolf over there. You can get a free trial. Try it out for free.
IWM is dying.
Is it? Uh-oh.
I'm getting a nasty sell. Right at the top of the range where it kept rejecting earlier. Dude, SPY's going to close directly in the middle of the top zone. Let's go. This is what we wanted, baby.
Damn, you harder, Jordan.
Damn, Jordan, full screen. Let's
Oh, you
go.
Quit mugging me,
screened
bro.
me. Gosh, you full
No,
screened me.
no, his screen share left.
Oh, I forgot.
Dude, chat.
I was on a whole
GPT
nother
is the
screen. My
shit.
bad. That's funny.
Oh, give me 10 points. Oh no.
Dude, is that
What
dude
is
still
that?
stealing my post? What the? There's no way he went through that much work.
Uh-oh.
Dude, he took pictures, screenshots of my trade alert channel, and where it says my logo and Casey Trades bot, he changed it to his logo and then changed it to Wall Street Top Expert Bot. Dude, if you spent that much time photoshopping and stealing my
That's
shit as
crazy.
you did on trading, dude, that's insane. Look at that. No fucking way. That's awesome. Shout out to that guy.
And frauds everywhere.
Dude. Shout out to that guy.
Honestly, like, that's just crazy. Like, what? Why would you fucking do that, dude? That's insane.
Oh, he blocked me. Man. Just want to be friends. He blocked me, so now I can't see his shit. Stealing my stuff. He's doing the
That's
most.
too funny.
His name on Telegram is at Wall Street Top Expert, Mr. Nelson. Stock trades.
Yeah,
He's
I
also
subscribe
at
to
Wall
him.
Street Top Expert.
I subscribe to him so I can get all of your alerts for cheap.
But I'll say, I bet you're making fucking bank. Is he on X though? Wall Street Top EXP? Is he on X? No. That's crazy though.
All right, guys, I'm going to buzz out too.
No worries, Gov.
You guys, hey, Merry Christmas, man. You guys
Merry
have a
Christmas.
great week,
Yeah,
right?
Merry Christmas, Gov.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
We appreciate
well.
you guys.
I hope Santa treats you guys well.
Oh yeah.
I hope he brings me some goodies.
Yeah. New little Tesla.
Oh yeah. I got my goodies. Tesla all time high.
Yeah.
That was my Christmas present there.
Nice.
No, but we appreciate you, Gov. Enjoy the holidays.
Oh, no, you know what? I enjoyed coming on. Sorry, I was late in getting out. I was running behind on something else.
Oh no, you're good.
And obviously, we were all watching the paint dry, so nothing.
Yeah.
I didn't even realize what time it was, honestly.
I know.
Forgot what day it was there for a little bit.
All right. Well, guys, you know what? Let's close the year out strong. I'm sure we'll probably connect before the year ends, but
Yes,
I'm
sir.
really looking forward to the first 3 or 4 months of the year. I think we're just going to absolutely rock.
I agree. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah. All right.
I'm
Once
excited.
again, we'll see you guys. All right.
Talk soon.
All right.
See you, Gov. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas. All right. YouTube's being a pain in my balls. Now I'm trying to upload this thumbnail, and it's like, no.
Oh, a spy is ripping.
Yeah, we're about to. Might hit the top of the zone here in a second. Shout out to ChatGPT though. Save it to my desktop. Says the file is over 2 megabytes, so I can't use it. That's some stupid shit. How do you make it less than 2 megabytes? You have to adjust the size. Yeah, I think so.
Oh, I got taken out of all my spreads. I didn't realize
There
what
we
time it
go.
was.
Hell yeah. Easy 100%er.
Yep, take that.
Ding,
Or that was on
ding,
that.
ding.
Yeah, on the full Iron Condor. Let's go.
Let's go. There we go. No, what the?
That's fucking awesome. Gosh,
Isn't spreads amazing?
they really are. It's fucking crazy, dude.
Spreads are awesome.
Jeez, it's fucking wild.
You
Didn't even feel like the market should be open tomorrow after what we just watched today.
too.
Just close the stupid thing.
Hold 'em down.
Well, We'll only be here till 1 p.m. Eastern. Won't be a full day. We'll just be hanging out with everybody. Probably not doing much, but I'll try and find my Santa hat and throw it on so we're festive.
I'll be here avoiding the avoiding having to get anything ready.
Yeah. Yeah. There you go.
Don't tell anyone.
I second that.
I'm staying here until at least half an hour after the close.
All right, y'all. Well, we appreciate everybody. Make sure you guys are liking and subscribing as always. We will be back tomorrow for a little bit, but reminder, it's a half day, so not much going to be going on. Super low volatility. It's Christmas Eve, so if you guys want to go and enjoy time with your families, go and do it. We're still going to show up and be hanging out, so anybody that wants to drop by, we will see you guys then. But yeah, peace out, everybody. We'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow.
Later.